literally shaking.
You can see in the shift knob.
What is up YouTube? Welcome back to another video. This has literally been the longest break I've ever taken from YouTube. I feel so bad. I'm so sorry, guys. I really wanted to wait to post a video until I bought a new car. Ever since the last video, I went to check out 2 different cars and was like seriously interested in buying them. I had cash in hand for like the down payment and whatnot. The reason I'm saying that, so you guys can know, I wasn't just window shopping. I'm actually trying to buy the car. The first car, the dealer did not want to work with me. I thought I could bring the price down because I felt like the car was a little bit overpriced. It was a used car. I went and tried to negotiate. They didn't want to, and the payments were just too stupid in my opinion for that car, so I backed out. I was hoping for another call back from them, but I think they sold it almost right away, so whatever. So that car is obviously sold. This past Sunday, today is Thursday, this past Sunday I went to check out another car, this one being brand new. I went in, offered something. They kind of did want to budge with me. They did bring down the price of the car a little bit, but it wasn't what I wanted to pay. Long story short, we were just going back and forth, and I wouldn't say they kicked me out because they didn't kick me out, but they pretty much said no, like they're not gonna sell the car for that price. So I walked out, and as you guys read by today's title of the video, we might be buying a V8. So this is actually the homie's car, like a real close homie of mine. He's actually selling it, and I said, hey bro, let me check it out. Maybe we could talk some numbers and figure something out, and if it makes sense for both of us, we might be buying a V8. We're about to meet up at the usual meetup spot at the gas station by my pad and see what we get into. This is the car, guys. My boy Jimmy's C6 Z06. I actually posted this car when he first got it. It's all done up, full bolt-ons, cam on 91 I believe, but he recently added these T37s on it, which suit the car so well. He also did these like clear side markers, clear tail lights, some other clear side markers I believe. Already has a carbon lip, and it's for sale.
Yeah.
What do you guys think? Should I buy it? But the thing is, if I buy this, there's nothing to do to it but drive it, which is actually kind of a good thing. I guess it's kind of a good thing.
Change the wheels, get side skirts. You need side skirts. Get a diffuser, get a different wing. You can do quite a bit.
Yeah, you actually can. Yeah, put on 85 since it's still on 91. But yeah, this thing makes how much? 5 what?
It's classified.
Oh, it's sorry. It makes 8.
No, it makes 560 wheel.
That's perfect, bro, for an NA car. I've yet to feel it, so I'll probably have this fool take me on a ride.
On the ride.
Let's do this. Oh, brother. Should I buy a cammed V8? I've never even been in a Z06, let alone a cammed one. I'm really curious to know how this thing's about to feel. I'm a little scared, bro, because I'm not gonna lie, NA power smacks you right in the face. It's not like Boost where it's like you're waiting for it and then it smacks you. Now this thing just smacks you. Bro, I don't even know how to open this. Damn, this shit shakes like crazy.
Oh yeah, dude. Yeah, it's super shaky. And you'll feel it.
It's super low too, damn.
Yeah, right now you'll feel the shake.
Have you raced this car or not really?
Just the homies, just for fun.
What's the fastest car you would say you beat in this thing so far?
Fast car I beat?
Yeah. Or you've at least like been with, like been there with.
Fresh Kicks X3M.
It's tuned, right?
JB4.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, probably once he goes on custom, will for sure gap this thing. So I mean, I've beaten like, you know, some 5.0s, SS's, some like 335s or 340s,
Some boosted 350Zs.
No, like that. no 350Zs yet.
Hey, what the hell? You have CarPlay in this? This is sick.
Yeah, dude, this thing has CarPlay and everything. It's pretty good.
This thing feels so low to the ground, bro. Kind of scared myself, not gonna lie.
Dude, these cars are. Oh, sorry. These cars are so rowdy, bro.
That's what I was telling the camera, bro. That
NA power.
Yeah, I just smacked you right in the face. And I don't think I've ever felt that. At least not this type of horsepower.
Yeah, for an NA car, this is probably the fastest NA car I've been in or driven.
Damn, bro, this shit shakes like crazy.
Oh, dude.
I don't know if the camera's doing
even more.
tires are on these? On this, my bad.
The rear has just middle NT05s, so they're not like a super sticky tire.
Recording?
They're not a super sticky tire.
But it works?
Bro, right out to the spin for sure. But I'm gonna leave traction on because this shit's for sure not gonna want to hook. Try.
Dude, that shit pulled a lot harder than I thought it was gonna pull.
Not bad, huh? I was like lowering the RPMs too.
You see, bro, that feels so much different than like my stock block setup because it's making around the same horsepower that I was making stock block. This thing feels a lot fucking stronger. Damn.
Let's go back on the freeway. Also, it's probably cutting a little bit of power because of traction, but this thing will literally kick out, dude. Like,
And second gear, it'll kick out?
yeah.
Oh, shit. Help, Mom, I'm scared.
We do like a 60 roll.
The gears on these cars are super long, huh?
Yeah, it's super, super low. It's traffic.
I mean, you don't gotta go too crazy.
Come on, dude. This guy's like, yeah, I knew it. We'll get back off with it on the street.
For sure. Yeah, I love boost, guys, but there's nothing like that innate fucking power.
I guess right now we'll just pretend like we're on the freeway and do a little 60.
So what?
Pretend like we're on the freeway and do a little 60, you know?
We're in Mexico right now. We just crossed the border. Damn, bro. Whiplash, or whatever that's called. Feels like I'm on a damn roller coaster. And it sounds so freaking good, bro. What kind of exhaust is on this?
It has like full headers, X-pipe, and then it has a Billy Bolt Ren. I don't know what the name. I think it's Billy Bolt Fusion or something like that. But it has a full exhaust.
Shit. Wow. I'm a little shaky. So what's up, bro?
So what's up?
Let's make a deal,
We're
bro.
gonna go to the bank tomorrow or what?
What do you guys think? Should I get this? I already know he's gonna peer pressure me to buying this. Alright, look, bro. 25K in a munchie meal right now.
Alright.
Bro, I don't know if the camera's doing this thing justice, but this car is literally shaking.
You can see in the shift knob.
The best thing about this car is it has a valve exhaust.
Makes a difference.
Yeah, but if it was my car, I'd have them open all the time. I don't care. Unless there's a cop behind me, I guess.
Yeah, you have to.
Just a little stock 7.0. Is that what you Corvette people call it?
Yeah.
7.0? Yeah.
427.
427, my bad.
Yeah, you can see the headers.
The stock Ossifer.
Yeah, it's stock.
It has it, obviously, that's an aftermarket intake,
Yeah,
right?
just intake and headers. And obviously the heads are done.
Heads, cam. Nice.
Heads cam.
Has a rear mount turbo?
Yeah. I
Imagine.
mean, you can rear mount turbo these,
I've actually seen that, yeah, before.
but you probably want like an LS3 for that.
Yeah, these motors don't love boost that much, right?
Yeah, no, they don't really like it.
What do you guys think, bro? I'm not gonna lie, he's giving it to me for a good deal. But if anybody's actually interested, cash in hand, he's actually selling it.
Yeah, everything's for sale.
So in the description down below, I'll leave like the Facebook listing if you guys want to reach out to him. Please, only serious buyers. Don't freaking hit him up if you got 20K, bro. Like, actually, bro. He's actually selling this. I don't know, maybe I will buy it, maybe I won't, but if somebody got cash in hand ready to buy right now and wants to beat me to it, it's for sale. All right, guys, just left, and now we're going to hit the gym. Little late night sesh, 10 p.m. Should be empty, I hope. But yeah, guys, what do you guys think? I'm kind of interested. I'm not gonna lie, bro. I'm actually very interested in that vet. I've always wanted a C6 Z06. That one's already done up. So for those of you guys that know about those cars, you guys know that you either gotta buy a Z06 with the heads already done, or you gotta be prepared to do the heads, because they tend to drop valves, and if they drop a valve, well, there goes your motor. So that already has that service taken care of. It's obviously cammed, has pretty much full bolt-ons, well, intake and headers. I would love to buy it, throw that thing on the 85. Honestly, looks wise, it's already almost perfect. Probably like a carbon hood, maybe like a carbon lip wing. But other than that, bro, that car is so nice, dude. Jimmy always knows exactly what to do with his cars, bro. He has such great taste. That being said, we are still on the hunt. I'm gonna start considering this car and maybe look at some other options, and hopefully we get a car soon. Like I said, I'm so sorry once again for not posting for 3 weeks, bro. This is literally the most I've ever gone without posting. I apologize. I promise I will never go this freaking long without posting again. Man, I didn't want to just post a video just to post it. Like the Z right now has an exhaust leak. I thought about making a video, oh, my Z is broken or whatever, but I feel like those videos get repetitive and they get kind of like old. So I was like, nah, I'll just wait until I get a new car. 2 weeks of trying to get a car, both fails. So I decided to bring up this video, because I am technically checking this car out, considering buying it, so it's not like it's clickbait or anything. And hopefully the next video, or one of the next videos, is me actually picking up a car. But with that being said, hope you guys all enjoyed today's video. If you guys did, do me a favor, hit that thumbs up for me, subscribe if you're new, hit that bell button so you guys can be alerted whenever I post. I'll catch you guys on the next one. If you guys have any suggestions on what car to buy around the $50,000 range, drop it down in the comments below. I'll be reading the comments and replying to everybody. Thank you guys. Peace out.